So in this Keynote tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit the line spacing of text inside of a table here on a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up, go to the top, add a table to your presentation. So I will just go ahead and add this green table for a demonstration. Now, if you want to edit the line spacing, so I'll just go ahead here and I'll type in the word line spacing. Just like that. If you want to sort of, I guess, increase or decrease the amount of space between each line, it's very simple. Simply just press on the table right here to make sure that text is selected in the top right. Go down to where it says spacing right here. So if you were to go ahead and press on spacing just like this, you can actually change the line spacing to whatever you want. So if you want to go to 1.2, you can do that. If you want to go to 1.5, you can do that. Or you can also go to 2.0, you can do that as well. Whatever floats your boat, whatever you want to do, this is how to do it. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to edit the line spacing of text inside of a table here on a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.